Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the secret in the Brain Rot Evolution game on Roblox. So basically, it's going to appear when there's an admin abuse in the game. As you can see, there's none right now, but it's going to spawn kind of like here, like where the portal is. And you basically need to defeat the, like, not like the boss, but I mean like just like the secret, so that you'll be able to get it. Once you've defeated the secret brain rot, you'll get it. But yeah, the only way to get it right now is like admin abuses. So you'll need to wait for another update for it to show. I don't know if it's like the same one that's gonna show up, but it will be like still a secret one. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.